Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Loveable versus Webflow, the no-code app builder showdown for 2025. If you're building apps or websites and can't decide which platform to use, this quick guide is for you. Loveable is all about speed. You describe your app in plain language, and its AI instantly generates clean code and working prototype. It's perfect for startups, side projects, or non-technical founders who want to launch fast without getting stuck in technical details. Webflow, on the other hand, is the gold standard for web design. It gives you pixel-perfect control, responsive layouts, animations, and a massive ecosystem of templates and integrations. But it has a steeper learning curve and makes more time to master compared to Lovable's instant builds. So Loveable wins on simplicity and rabbit app development, while Webflow dominates in professional design and scalability for polished websites and e-commerce. So that's the review for Loveable and Webflow in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.